Hello students, today I am going to discuss exercise question answer of lesson at the zoo. As madam has taught you the lesson, therefore I shall give less time to the poem and more time to exercise question answers. So now let us start poem. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hum. He is very proud of his noble bum. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting round the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So, be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. When we visit a zoo, we should be very careful of what we speak, of what we say, and what activity we do, because animals have been living in the zoo with human beings, so they understand our behavior. Don't make fun of the camel's hum. He is very proud of his noble bum. Camel, camels have hum, and it looks like bum, but he is very proud of his noble hump, because hump is his body part, and as we are proud of our body parts, in the same way camels are very proud of his noble hump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. Chimpanzees imitate us. They try to entertain us. But we should not laugh too much to see the activities of chimpanzee, because he understands what we say, what we do. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. Everyone knows about himself, he is good. In the same way, chimpanzee thinks he is very good. And the penguins strutting round the lake can understand remarks you make. Penguins are swimming in the lake, and they have been also living with human beings, so they understand remarks we make. So we should not pass negative remarks to them. Treat them as well as they do you. They try to entertain us. They do not harm us. In the same way, we should not harm. We should not pass bad comments. And then we are welcome at the zoo. Now, exercise question answer. Answer the following questions briefly. What does the poet want us to be careful about? If question has does word, then put s or es to the verb. In this question, verb is want. So, when you write answer, add s to want. So, the poet wants us to be careful about what we say or do. Answer is given in stanza 1. Why shouldn't we make fun of the camel's hump? Answer is given in stanza 2. We shouldn't make fun of camel's hump because he is very proud of his noble bump. Why does the chimpanzee think of, what does the chimpanzee think of himself? Answer is given in stanza 3, and question has does word, so s, add s in thinks. So chimpanzee thinks of himself as wise as human beings are. What special quality, according to the poem, do penguins have? What special quality? Answer is given in fourth stanza. Penguins can understand remarks we make. What will happen if you treat the animals well. If we treat the animals well, we will always be welcome at the zoo. So I think answer is given in last stanza. So 5 question in answers are in 5 stanza. Now, animals in the zoo prepare a poster to be put on the gate of the zoo, but they have left some blanks in it. Write do and I the blank to give to the correct message. Add 2 instruction on to the list. So, see, a hearty welcome to the world of the animals. Who had prepared? Animals have prepared for human beings to be followed. Please observe the following rules. Dash, take care of what you say or do to us. This is positive. So, do take care what you say or do to us. Dash, make fun of us. This is negative. So, don't make fun of us. Laugh at us. This is also negative. So, don't laugh at us. Pass bad remarks. This is negative. So, don't pass bad remarks. Treat us well. Do treat us well. This is positive. And you can add, don't be cruel to us. Be polite at the zoo. Notice the rhyming word in each stanza. Fill in the blanks, appropriate rhyming words. Okay, with appropriate rhyming words. Some missing letters. Do, ju, hum, bump. You can find answer in the poem. These are rhyming pairs. Do, ju, hum, bum, chimpanzee, me, lake, make, you, ju. So, page number 10 and 11 are given you in homework. You will complete. Thank you for listening.